Today will show you how to clean browsing data of your Samsung Galaxy M10. First, let's unlock the phone by pressing the power key and swiping up. Now go to the internet browser of your choosing. I have here Chrome. And here press the More button, the three dots one here, and go into History. And here we have a Clear Browsing Data option. Select it. And the phone will ask you if you want a basic one or an advanced one. If you want a basic one, you can select the time range. From what time do you want all browsing data to be deleted? Should it be just from the last hour, last 24 hours, 7 days, 4 weeks, or all time? You can also select Advanced. And here you can select even more different options like media licenses, cached images, saved passwords, autofill for data, and everything else. Let's select basic and from the last hour and select down here clear data. You will be asked if you are sure, and if you are sure, simply press clear. And just like that, our browsing history has been deleted. So I really hope this video helped you, and if it did, please leave a like and subscribe.